What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we are talking about the Galaxy Note 9, and more specifically, my experience with the photo and video capabilities on this bad boy. So sit back, relax, and check out what this camera has to offer. The helicopter tour, it was pretty awesome. It's Dominic's, where it's all about the sausage. We out here. We at the Yankee Stadium.
Woo!
Going in there very shortly for our first Yankees game, I guess. Yeah, I've never been to one before, so it should be fun. Alright, so apparently the Legends Club is like...
It's sick!
basically that, yeah. Alright, so that about wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed all of this footage and the photos captured on the Galaxy Note 9. And if you did, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.